2, 3. Get down. Get down. Oh, what happened? Fuck. What happened? Love, you are looking absolutely stunning, sexy, love. Thank you. Wear that thong, not for free, bitch. Lingerie is my favorite. I know. Are you throwing a lingerie on love? No, not yet. We need someone to push me to do that. If you know the game, you know. Quiero comer, di que vas a hacer. That is crazy, it's already Thursday. Today is Thursday for me. Pretty sure for you guys too. I apologize for the part that is mine. I shouldn't have asked you anything. Each person is the owner of their life and has the right to do whatever they want with it. I hope you are well and pursue your goals. You are a very brave girl for your age. Motherfucker, I've been brave since I was teenager, so anyway. Accepted. Apologize, accepted. I try. Look, man, I try to twerk. I'm technically already wearing lingerie. This is from Victoria's Secret. Hello. I already gave you a food, okay? Sophia. Jason Derulo. Always a piece of to be your... Hello, Miss Sexy Lady. Hello, Captain Lady. Can I hang out and relax with you, love? I want to know you better and be my queen, so protecting you from danger. Where are you from, Elite Shadow? Are you new here? Hablamos. How can I